Samil Pharmaceuticals' new starting point, located in the Saigon High-Tech Park in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Samil's Vietnam CDMO plant has been established as a global top-tier production facility, meeting GMP standards in Korea, Europe, and the United States. Logistics. We have a system in place to separate inbound and outbound shipments, preventing any mix-ups in logistics. The automated warehouse, centrally located, is equipped with a smart system that maximizes process efficiency. Sampling room inbound and outbound. We have established a full automation system that enables comprehensive management and supervision of logistics processes, from production to movement and storage, through integration with ERP, WMS, RWS, BMS, and LIMS. Automated warehouse system. The Smart Logistics Warehouse, equipped with optimal condition management via thermal distribution simulation, systematic tracking, and real-time monitoring capabilities, supports top-level logistics flow. Automatic cleaning system. This system performs a consistent cleaning process based on predefined conditions, ensuring that all parts of the equipment are uniformly cleaned. Moist heat sterilization facility. The autoclave system is capable of sterilizing equipment and instruments simultaneously. It precisely controls temperature and pressure, ensuring consistency and safety throughout the sterilization process. Raw material weighing. Our weighing system, implemented with RWS, minimizes errors and ensures consistent measurements while thoroughly managing raw material usage records. Additionally, 2 booths equipped with laminar flow prevent contamination, maintaining superior quality and stability. Formulation facility. Compounding and filtration tanks designed with a fully closed system for the production of high-quality pharmaceuticals. The facility is equipped with an automatic sterilization and cleaning system, SIP and CIP, that ensures perfect sterilization of the tank interiors. CIP system. An automated cleaning system designed to clean without dismantling equipment and pipelines. It ensures consistent cleaning quality and production continuity through optimized recipes for each product. Aseptic raw material input system. By using a VHP, vaporized hydrogen peroxide, sterilization system, and applying isolator technology, a completely aseptic environment is maintained, allowing sterile raw materials to be introduced without contamination. A high-pressure grinding system capable of micronizing raw materials down to the nanometer scale. Single-dose filling facility. We are operating 2 BFS systems of the Romelag 460 model that can charge 30,000 ampoules per hour. The entire process of container molding, filling, and sealing from pure plastic granules is carried out in a closed system under ISO Class 5 conditions. Multi-dose filling facility. A high-speed filling machine from Groninger, providing cutting-edge filling solutions and a variety of filling formats. By applying the world's largest Franz-EL isolator system, we maintain a perfect aseptic environment at Grade A standards. This filling facility meets global GMP standards and was the first in the world to establish a VHP sterilization system. Through this guarantees quality and reliability as well as maximizing productivity. Inspection line. The completed product, after the filling process, moves to the inspection line consisting of punching equipment, a leak tester, and a palletizer. The inspection line ensures maximum product quality by thoroughly checking for pinholes and leaks in all products. Single-dose packaging facility. Edema sticker labeler, which can be easily adjusted to meet the client's labeling requirements, uses a vision sensor to monitor label print quality in real time. The automated packaging system using a Delta robot can adjust packaging units to meet the customer's specific requirements. Aluminum foam known as FlowPack protect the products from any other external stimulus, such as humidity, light, or contaminants. The Auto Cartoner, which automatically packages individually wrapped products, effectively detects material mixing and defective items through a code detection device. The Wipatech OCS weight checker prints expiration dates, 2D barcodes, and batch numbers, while also inspecting print quality using a camera. Last but not least, the aggregation system enables efficient product quality control, tracking, recall, and inventory management. Multi-dose packaging facility. The B+S Bosch labeler operates at a labeling speed of 18,000 bottles per hour. It is equipped with a label collecting function using a vacuum system, which automatically handles defective labels. Ullman's Auto Cartoner can automatically package up to 250 cartons per minute, and with a code detection device, material mix-ups and defects are effectively filtered out. The Wipatech OCS weight checker prints expiration dates, 2D barcodes, and batch numbers, while also inspecting print quality using a camera. Shrink packing machine that bundles products in packs of 10. Microbial laboratory. The microbial laboratory specializes in microbial and utility testing using a variety of modern equipment and facilities to maximize the accuracy and efficiency of experiments. Notably, an environment monitoring system, EMS, is installed for real-time monitoring of chamber equipment. Furthermore, MALDI-TOF equipment is utilized for rapid yet accurate microbial identifications. 2 testing isolators have been introduced to our plant to further enhance the precision of microbial quality testing. Chemical laboratory. The chemical laboratory is an optimal facility for accurately analyzing raw materials, and products. It is equipped with advanced analytical instruments such as Agilent's ECM XT and Mettler's LabX, along with HPLC, GC, and various cutting-edge analysis equipment. Utility area. Central control room. This room monitors and controls various systems in real time, including HVAC, power, security, and utilities. Clean room air conditioning and clean air systems in utility area. Through precise control of temperature, humidity, and pressure, the cleanliness of the manufacturing area is optimized, while high-efficiency filters are used to maintain a stable, clean environment. Manufacturing water system. By applying the latest water purification and filtration technologies, we provide optimized manufacturing water for pharmaceutical production. Skywalk. Administration building. The admin building encompasses all the facilities necessary to support the optimal operation of the Vietnam CDMO plant. A global CDMO plant specializing in ophthalmic diseases. This marks a new beginning for Samil. Samil Pharmaceutical.